Hey, it's me again, and today I thought I'm gonna go and do some video about a topic that is not very pleasant to talk about, but it needs to be talked about. At least you need to maintain the tanks. And what I mean by that is the black tank and the gray tank. Every RV, trailer, pretty much any kind of recreational vehicle will have a black tank and a gray tank. Now the gray tank is for, just regular drain water that you get from the sink, the shower, and the bathroom sink. The black tank is really just for the toilet. Now, I'm going to be doing something a little different today. So what I currently do is I have my black tank always shut, because in order to be able to use that tank correctly, is you keep it shut, and when it's full, time to dump the tank out, the waste that is, I open it up and let it all come out. But every tank that you're gonna have is gonna have an air pipe, and chances might be that the air pipe could get clogged up, which is what could cause it. Pretty much every single time that I flush my toilet, it just really is an awful smell, and I don't want to get into it, but it's just not pleasant. And I believe that's because my air pipe is clogged up. So I'm going to be going on top of my roof again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and use a water sprayer, just a regular water hose, garden hose I mean, with a sprayer on it. I'm going to go put it on a high setting and just basically take up the thing on top to hopefully flush it out. And at the same time, I'm also going to go ahead and basically flush out my tank. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a moment here. This is my bathroom, toilet, black tank, vent. So it's easy like that. And let's see here. I'm actually pretty sure that at least my air pipe for the tank is clear, because otherwise it'd be just blowing up. I might go ahead to go and I have a sprayer adapter thing that I can use in the toilet itself. I'm probably gonna go ahead and do that, just to clear out the tank a little bit more. So, but for one, I'm gonna go and take care of the other vent as well, because I don't know what's the deal with that. But it's always good to go ahead and clear them out when you can. So that one over there, that's the one from my gray tank. So some of your viewers may have seen this type of thing before, but this is pretty much what it is. It's like a little spin thing that just spins round in a circle when you got water pressure onto here. And that's exactly what I'm going to use for my toilet. Oh, and I got the main water for the RV completely shut off, because I'm using the hose on the faucet anyway. So, but it definitely helps when you don't have the water pressure split like that. Okay, so I've successfully have flushed out my black tank, and it's pretty well. It's cleared out. It's completely empty. It's completely clear, and doing that, I was able to make my sensor work because it didn't work correctly before. It would read, but it would always kind of read the wrong level, and I think doing that with the water spraying everywhere probably cleared up some kind of clog in the sensor or whatever, I don't know. But it's working now. It's working better than it ever did before. It's actually reading accurately. And like I said, my black tank now is completely clear and empty of everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and take care of my sink one, which is basically the same thing. Well, I mean, I'm talking about my gray tank. It's basically the same thing, although I can't use my sprayer because I don't know if you guys have ever seen these, but these are also really good to use. I use them always in my black tank. Um, you just drop one of these in after you dump your tank out, and after you shut the valve, you just drop one of these in, and they'll dissolve over time. That keeps it clean and smelling good. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so pretty much I got the gray tank all the way filled up, and I went and opened it up, and well, I mean, it's basically flushing the tank. Um, I do think that there's still something wrong with my gray tank sensor because it's just not gonna show anything else than 3/4 full. It shows when it's all the way full, but it just will not go and drop down to when the tank is empty. Even though I know the tank is empty, that thing is still going to say it's 3/4 full. I think that's probably because my sensor in the gray tank is bad. I'm not too concerned about that one. So, but it's always a good thing to just kind of keep these tanks flush like this. Like fill it all the way up and flush it. With the black tank, I had to do a little bit more work because it's a black tank. You guys saw that I was using a sprayer, and I also wanted to go make sure that all my air tubes or air pipes are basically clear, because they can get clogged up, and if they get clogged up, then that's just not good. You need to have those clear at all times. Anyway, so I hope this was useful, and if you like these videos, hit the like button, and hit the bell button to subscribe to my videos so you don't miss any. And I hope you have a good night, good rest of your day, and happy 4th.